Shit just fucked up, bro. Like, nobody wanted this shit for you, fool. At all, bro. It's like, damn, gang, like, bro, niggas just changing. Niggas is doing so much shit, bro, to better ourselves, bro. You just keep going backwards, bro. And I feel like it's my fault, bro. It's like, fuck, gang, you gotta stop, bro. I keep trying to talk to you, Splash. You don't listen, bro. This shit hell, bro. You don't fucking listen, bro. You keep going back. I'm scared, bro. It's gonna be that call again. That shit is fucked up, bro. This shit not cool for real, bro. Bro, I can't even do shit no more, bro. You don't listen, bro. You don't listen to shit we say, bro. You just go right back to doing the same shit. It's like, it's not cool, bro. It's fucked up, bro. You're our baby, bro. You're the hope for the family. You just keep fucking up like you want to be a fuck up, bro. You don't have to be a fuck up, bro. All this shit is choices, bro. I say it all the time, bro. We had choices, bro. Mom made our life so good, bro. You don't gotta fuck up, bro. You turned fucking Macklin, Ohio to a place where you have ops at, bro. You gotta see this shit as a whole picture, P. Every time you don't answer a call, bro, we're scared, P. It's not boo. Like, you have a family who fucking loves you, but them just don't have that shit, bro. So why are you putting yourself? You gotta stop, bro. You gotta stop, bro. Like, you're fucking up, nigga. You're fucking up, bro. You have a girl. You got family, all this shit that loves you, bro. You're not no just fucking statistic, but you living like one, bro. You ain't even healed yourself yet, bro. You ain't even fully healed yourself yet, bro. But you outside trying to do these things, bro. Like, you moving backwards, P. And it's fucked. It's fucked because you grown now. You think I'm gonna listen to shit. You just like, I don't listen to nobody. Bro, we've been seeing this, like, the shit you're doing, niggas didn't seen it already, bro, and changed from that. I was working at your age, bro, trying to literally change already. Like, you're not doing you're not moving. You're trying to move like us, but like your own twist on it, bro. It's like you're writing your own fucking chapter and it's not good, bro. It's scary as fuck to your family, P. You're not who you're trying to make yourself be. You don't need to be that, bro. I say it all the time, bro. We had a choice. By the grace of God, niggas made it through that shit, bro. Why are you putting yourself back to play with God, bro? Like, let me just, bro, you made it out already, bro. Don't do the same shit there, Splash. You can't have ops everywhere, bro. You can't have ops everywhere, bro. Ohio, fucking Daytona, fucking Palm Harbor, Clearwater. So it's like, bro, fuck, bro. We gotta figure out a plan, P. You taking this banging shit too hard, bro. And it's not gonna do shit for you. You end up like the fuck like them, bro. You gotta leave, bro, again. But this time you need to leave and leave everyone, bro. Michaela, all the motherfuckers, they're just extra baggage. They're not your kids, bro. You need to stay with your girl, bro. That's it. Like, them bitches, the shit you're doing is crash out shit. Like, you're trying to take care of motherfuckers. Fuck them, bro. Get you a job, go to school, bro. And focus on your relationship with your girl, bro. Your music, bro. Like, why throw your life away to some bums, fool? Some bums, bro. This shit hurts, bro. We keep having to have the conversation, bro. It's fucked up. I didn't sleep at all. Every time I fell asleep, I woke up like, damn, bro. You gotta change, Splash. It hurts, bro. So I feel like I did